guys, so today we're making blueberries and raspberry scones. So we're gonna start with the basics, which are flour. So this is all-purpose flour. I'll have the exact measurement at the end of it. What we have done is mixed half and half flour, which is all-purpose, and half whole wheat flour. So we're just going to mix it to make sure it's evenly spread out because I had layered in the two flours. Then, once this is well mixed, we're going to add in the baking powder and baking soda, which again, I have both mixed it in already, so we can just pour it in together. Those don't activate until you add in any sort of wet ingredients. So we can just mix this well together. And then the next process now is adding in absolutely cold butter. So I've actually just taken out this butter out of the freezer, and this is what I'm going to add in. And now, so you can see we're just doing it with a hand blender, and you don't want it to disappear. So as you can see, we've just blended it all in, and now we're ready to put in the wet ingredients. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is put vanilla extract in the middle of it. You'll create it just essentially like a well. Then we're gonna add in the buttermilk. We're gonna add in some honey here. So obviously, if you do like sugar, you can use the sugar as well. And if you were to do sugar, you can put it right with the dried ingredients. Now the best part, which is to toss in your berries. And now we're just gonna take a wooden spoon, and we're just going to mix it together just until it's mixed together, not overdoing the mixing. This is where you need to get your hands dirty and get in the bowl. So what we've done is just gently kneaded the dough. Don't put too much pressure, just with light, soft hands. And now we're going to put it out on we could use a rolling pin, or even just put it on a board where you can put it in about 2 inches thickness and cut out pieces of your scones. We've used the cutter. You could use a cookie cutter, or really just take a piece of the dough and just roll it onto a bowl, and we placed it onto a foil on top of a baking sheet. Now we're gonna put it into the oven for 15 minutes at 425.